Welcome to Elite Geospatial, and today we're still on ArcGIS Pro and we'll be looking at how to create 3D buffer. Okay, so this 3D buffer can be created on a line, polygon, or point. So either of them that you want to create a buffer around, you can actually do that with a 3D buffer. So I have a line here which consists of the highways, federal highways in Taraba State and points of few banks within the state. So we have like 4 banks here. So I want to create a 3D buffer around these 2 features. So to start, you will go over to Analysis and then you click on Tools. So once you click on these tools, it will bring you here, which is the geoprocessing. So you just search 3D buffer or buffer 3D, any of them. So buffer 3D, like I said. So this comes up, so you click on it. After click on it, it will open and ask you to input features. So your input feature here, we're going to start with the bank, which will create a buffer around the bank. All right, then the output feature, you either select the folder to which you want it saved, but I'm just making this so you just select the folder and put it in, but I'm going to leave it at the default folder. And the default folder is actually on the project we created, map of Taraba. You remember? Good. Now, the distance is, we change this to kilometer, and then let's say we need a distance of 10 kilometers. Let's use 10 kilometers. So they're asking for buffer quality. Now you can actually put this one on this, but I read what it said, the number of segments that will be used to represent the resulting multi-patch features. A higher value produce smoother 3D feature, but lengthens the process time. Any number in the range of 6 to 60 can be provided. The default is 20. So if we want to put it to 60, so this one now gives you, like, it enables that segment, it divides among the 3D. When we run it, you will see what I'm saying. So we'll click on run. So what it's saying is that when we have plenty of that, we select plenty of that number, it's going to make it smoother. So let's look at it. Let's zoom it to look at what. Now, this is what it means. Like this segment, these lines, is up to 60. The segment is divided up to 60. If we had used the default value of 20, that will have make it 20 segments. So now we have 60 segments, and it makes it more smoother. So this is how to create the first one. So we will go back and then click on the 3D again, and then we're going to, on the input features, we're going to select the highway, and this highway we just want to make that of, let's say, 10 meters, not kilometers, just 10 meters. So we're going to use meters, and then we make this 40 segment, and then we'll click on run. So it's because this one has only 4. Now this one has so many roads, if you check. So there are so many roads here, so it's taking time to create us a 3D. So let's hold on a bit while it processes. I post it so that this should process, but you can see that it has been running, and up to now it has not really finished. But basically, these are the all steps. Let me run through the steps again so that you can give it a try on your own. You input the feature, which we already did, and is the highway. Then you either change and give it a direction here. Then we say we needed 10 meters. All right. Then here you have the ability to choose whether you want it straight or you want it round. So you see that. And then here you have also ability. I've already explained here. Here you have the ability, but this, if you want it to have more, just like we explained when we were doing here, have more of the segment lines. That's when you increase this. It's between 16 and 60. Then this one, simplification. Now you want to have an offset of any amount, just to simplify the whole thing. You can include that here. Once that is done, you click on run. So I've been waiting for the result, but it seems I don't really know what is the issue. So I believe you should give it a try on your own. So we'll be able to create a 3D buffer around 10 kilometers around our banking point and all of that. So just to show you an illustration, I wanted to do that for road, but the road has not really been doing. I even had to remove most of the road just to have one lane, but still it's not really doing. So but give it a try and leave a comment below so that we get to know how yours goes. So thank you for tuning in and watching to this video. I remain Shamaki, the managing director, ArcGIS Spatial Information Services. Don't go anywhere, and I'll see you in the next video.